Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I've been making candles for a while now, and I've been working towards hopefully starting a business. And this TOAUTO candle wax melter is really going to help me with that. Not only can you melt a lot of wax at one time, but you can choose the temperature that it stays at. It will indicate to you when it is ready. You keep on opening and stirring it every few minutes, but then make sure you close the lid because it's going to melt a lot more evenly. When you're ready to pour, you just open the little nozzle here. It pours out so nice. And I was amazed. It was the perfect temperature I needed to. So right away, I didn't need to wait. I could add my essential oils, stir it in, and pour my candles. It is very, very easy to clean. All you do is then pour some water, some white vinegar in there, and put the dial to 212. Let it sit, let it boil, and then when you get the water out, that allows it to go through the nozzle, and then dry any excess so that it stays nice and clean and be ready for the next candle making session. If you're making a lot of candles at one time, this is really going to help you to accomplish that, to not make much of a mess, and to save you so much time. I really think this is a candle maker's best friend, but that's my point of view.